Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make butter chicken. Let's get started. To marinate the chicken, I need some salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, ground coriander, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, plain yogurt, then mix them well. Then marinate the chicken thigh. Keep it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Heat up some vegetable oil at medium heat. Add the marinated chicken. When the chicken is fully cooked, remove it from the saucepan, then set aside. Melt some unsalted butter with the same saucepan. Add the chopped yellow onion. Add some garlic, ginger, and chili in a food blender. Then add the paste to the saucepan. 3 cloves, 4 cardamoms, coriander stalks, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, tomato puree. Add the chicken I cooked before. Some lemon juice. Double cream. Mix them well, then turn off the heat. Add a little unsalted butter before serving. This is the price list of all my ingredients. This butter chicken for 5 people cost me less than $17. I'm going to enjoy my butter chicken with some basmati rice. Thanks for watching my video.